Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to buy QuickBooks Desktop. First, assess your business's specific needs to select the ideal version. QuickBooks offers Pro, Premier, and Enterprise editions, each tailored for different business sizes and complexities. Next, verify your computer meets the system requirements to ensure smooth operation. This initial planning helps you make an informed decision and avoid compatibility issues, setting you up for success with your new accounting software. When you're ready to buy, the most reliable option is Intuit's official website, ensuring you receive genuine software and support. Alternatively, explore authorized resellers who sometimes offer competitive pricing or bundled deals. Remember, the cost of QuickBooks Desktop can vary significantly depending on the specific edition you choose and the number of users you need to accommodate. Always compare options to find the best value. Once purchased, download the software and simply follow the clear on-screen instructions for installation. After installation, you'll need to register your unique product key to activate your QuickBooks Desktop license, which is crucial for full functionality. A vital tip for all users is to regularly back up your company files. This simple practice safeguards your valuable financial data against any unforeseen issues, providing peace of mind. Finally, consider whether a one-time purchase or a subscription model aligns better with your budget and long-term needs. Also, look into available add-ons and integrations that can significantly extend QuickBooks capabilities, tailoring it even more to your business. Before you go, remember to check the description below for links to these products and other great deals. Life's too short for a stinky car, so grab a little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener today.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.